Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make baba ganoush. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Take 2 medium eggplants and pierce them several times with a fork. This helps steam escape during cooking. Place them on a baking sheet and roast for about 50 to 60 minutes or until they are very soft and collapsed. This roasting method gives your baba ganoush a wonderful smoky flavor. Once your eggplants are roasted, let them cool for about 15 minutes until they are comfortable to handle. Next, carefully peel off the charred skin and discard it, keeping only the tender flesh. It is important to place the eggplant flesh in a fine mesh strainer over a bowl for at least 20 minutes to drain any excess water. This step prevents a watery dip and enhances the creamy texture. Now it is time to create that signature creamy texture. Transfer the drained eggplant flesh to a food processor. Add 1/4 cup of tahini, 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Pulse these ingredients until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed for your perfect flavor. Your delicious homemade baba ganoush is almost ready. Transfer the creamy dip to a serving dish. For a beautiful presentation and extra flavor, drizzle a bit more extra virgin olive oil over the top and sprinkle with some freshly chopped parsley. Chill the baba ganoush for at least 30 minutes before serving. It pairs wonderfully with warm pita bread, crunchy vegetable sticks, or even crackers. Enjoy this delightful and flavorful dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.